the fuck? What the fuck, man? Dude, what?
Oh man, now you gotta shave it all off.
Oh fuck, dude, what the fuck?
Let's see.
Dude.
Oh
my god. Really?
We're getting rid of that hippie hair. Come on.
Really, man?
In the bathroom.
Fuck.
Let's do it.
Alright. You done do it. Well.
Are you gonna mourn the loss of your hair, Cole?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You have nightmares about this?
I really am.
Alright.
Some good clippers, actually.
Let's just leave it like that now.
Nah, dude. I don't think so.
Wow.
Seems tough.
Sideburns look a little funny now.
Yeah. You gotta trim your beard now so it matches.
Alright.
Yeah, look up at me. Get a close up of that. Yeah! Hardcore motherfucker.
Pretty metal.